Friends, we'll look at a nested for loop in Python. A for loop inside a for loop is known as nested for loop. So you can see there are two different variables for this, and this is the range. We'll look at an example now. So we will print tables using nested for loop here. As you can see, this is the outer for loop and this is the inner for loop. So if I print I star j is equal to I star j. So for first time, you can see for when I is equal to 1, and then for j variable from 1 to 10 range will be executed. After that, once it comes comes out of the inner for loop, a line of stars will be printed. Again, it will move to the outer for loop. I will be 2. Again, j will be executed from 1 to 10. Then again star will be printed, and again it will go here to print the third tables. That is 3 ones are 3. Okay, we'll execute this. So you can see here. So right, it will print from 1 ones are 2, 10 ones are 10. Okay. I hope you're clear about nested for loop now. Thanks for watching.